Hey everyone, it's Jared here with Heat Press Nation. If there's one thing I can count on, it's that Siser is gonna be blowing my mind with regularity. What do I mean by that? Well, I'm here to talk about the brand new Siser Aurora HTV. If you look at it, I know you're probably familiar with EasyPSV Holographic Pearl. And if you know that product, you know the angular color shifting of that material is pretty cool. On the Aurora HTV, it's like way more apparent. As you shift your view, your angle of the Aurora HTV, the color like magic seems to be changing and shifting in the light, in the angle. It's so cool. What's really unique to the Aurora HTV is the natural woven appearance, and that it's still smooth to the touch, but it has like a textured look that it's totally unique. Now, in addition, it is layerable with other Siser products like Easy Weed, Sparkle, Strip Block Pro, etc. So you can just use Siser Aurora to unlock so much more in your projects. You can add pops of color. You could add just completely game-changing dimension to your graphics. Now, Siser Aurora is available in a lot of essential colors like red, silver, etc. It's CPSIA certified, which means that it's safe to use for kids' products. So yes, your baby clothes, your kids' clothes, you could use Siser Aurora to totally just bring fresh, huge, amazing, vivid life to these projects. Now, what's really cool about Siser Aurora, it is very similar in application to the Easy line of products. So you're gonna do about 3-second pre-press, and then you're gonna hit it at 305 degrees for 15 seconds with medium pressure. Siser Aurora is compatible with cotton, polyester, and polyblend fabrics, which makes it ready for your apparel, your backpacks, your tote bags, your flex. So many awesome projects that you know and love very well already. So who is this product even for? It's for me and it's for you. It's a really great option to consider if you want to bring a pearlescent look to your HTV. I know sometimes I want to make, for my own clothing line, I wanted like a special edition of something. So where I might usually have a logo in plain white, sometimes just making it in a special color with a special product like Siser Aurora, it's a great way to breathe new life into an old project. Use it for new projects, use it for whatever you want. You could use it for t-shirts, special occasion gifts, so many things. I'm not even gonna begin to list them right now. Now, as with any Siser vinyl, you can cut it with any craft cutter or even your high-end pro machines. It's gonna be compatible with all of the vinyl cutters that we carry at heatpressnation.com. Now, you can learn more about Siser materials on our YouTube channel or by visiting us at heatpressnation.com.